G'day traders, 1 minute mindset reset. Tuesday, day 2 after a public holiday, Memorial Day in the US yesterday. And as we talked about, we had major red news on the calendar at 10 a.m. New York time, but we had explosive parabolic trades on lots of pairs. Pound yen cross, pound Aussie, gold, obviously, nice parabolic trade. And we have, so again, this glues together some things for people who are struggling with the day count. It's Tuesday, day 2 in a Monday to Friday template. Monday's an inside day, that's our opening range. And Tuesday offered us a parabolic opportunity, not only in the London window. I believe in reflection, I think pound Aussie gave us a nice parabolic squeeze in Asia, and then also a continuation trade in the US session for 50 pips. So gold, day 3, Friday, put in our low of the week and our closing range for the week. Friday, Monday, inside day yesterday. Break the low of the inside day, boom, parabolic move, over 100 plus pips. And again, understanding not only do we get signal days, we get inside days, we get opening ranges, we get day counts that can be a 3-day setup. Friday, Monday, Tuesday. We saw a Thursday, Friday, Monday. Thursday, Friday put in the high of the week. Monday inside day, pound Aussie reversal, explosive move back to the high of the week. Pound yen, a fantastic reversal trade in the US session after major red news. The London session put the peak formation in place. They dropped it down and pumped it up back into the peak formation, double zeros for a vertical 50 pip move, 40 to 50 pips depending on where traders got filled. 1705 right after the major red news, 5-minute chart. So again, peak formation, consolidation, vertical move. And there are going to be different variations, but there was a lot of great opportunities. Gold, as I mentioned, do not counter trend, because as it was breaking into the new box, we were just heading into the US window. We had come out of a parabolic bullish flag formation. And when we have 10 a.m. news, sometimes gold will rip another 75 pips, 3 levels in that first 30 minutes, 45 minutes, trapping traders trying to counter trend that market. Now it did fade down, and we had a fade first hour, put in a low. It took it a bit lower second hour, right into the news, and they went back up to the high of the day after the 10 a.m. New York news. Point being is that there are a lot of fantastic opportunities. That was a day 2 in our weekly template, but a day 3, Friday, Monday, Tuesday opportunity after a long weekend, holiday week. I said we got some huge opportunities potentially brewing in these markets with these templates, because we had a 3-day weekend, we have the beginning of a new month, and we have a non-farm payrolls week with major red news on 3 or 4 out of the 5 days. So lots of potential opportunities. Important to manage ourselves and stay disciplined and focus on the best opportunities. And just speaking of that, indexes, S&P right off the high of the day. Same trade as last week on Tuesday. They took out the high of the day, dropped down, pulled back up, major red news, and went vertical at the New York Open. DJ30 broke out of the low of the low of Monday, pumped back up, right at the New York Open, straight down 100 pips. And I didn't really look at the NASDAQ. Oil gave a vertical pump and dump out of the London session, pumped up right into the US session and rolled over straight down for 100 pips. Several traders hit that trade. So there was an abundance of opportunities. And again, just talking about comparing that to trying to trade on a public holiday, Memorial Day, where there's a very narrow range day, there was a couple of opportunities, pound yen, US session. But sometimes it's important, if you are going to trade those days, that you have hunted out the best pair, a pair that may potentially still trade. Obviously not a US dollar cross or a US commodity. They may not trade as well. Gold moved later in the day, and that's typically what you'll see. They'll move later in the day. So we have lots on the plate this week. We have a lot of opportunities. Stand back. Day 3 tomorrow, free cash Wednesday, parabolic potential, possibly, maybe again London session. London has offered traders some fantastic opportunities. And again, Friday, non-farm payrolls. We could get trades in Asia and London, and it may be a fizzer on payrolls, or we could get a first bounce, a parabolic opportunity on free cash Friday. So step back. There are going to be plenty of opportunities. Stay disciplined, stay focused. Stay on track. Always act in your own best interest, because traders, these opportunities are not going to go away. They will continue to be here. Rinse and repeat. Rinse and repeat. Keep your psychological capital intact. Stay focused, and may the markets go with you.